You accused an innocent person. Wait.
You
know why the Shia people like
Listen,
Sayyid Ali. Wait, let me. I'm speaking now. Why do some Shia, not all, some Shia play this game? Extremists, terrorists, kada wa kada wa kada. Why? Because when they cannot beat them in argument, and this is the Islamophobic game they play, because this is what right-wing racist Islamophobes like Tommy Robinson and people like that, this is the language they use against people, Muslims who are defending Islam.
Okay.
Or Hassan Shimrani is a guy who is known to be an ex-Iranian Shia. Wait.
Right.
He is.
Wait. Terrorist camps being killed.
Sayyid Ali, you can say what you want to say.
No problem.
You can say what you want to say.
Guys, listen.
Okay.
You're being unfair, though.
No. I've been.
You're talking from one side. Why don't you talk about his side as well?
Okay. Yeah. When your channels will peddle propaganda and lies.
Okay, look. Are we going to have a discussion today? Not because the reason why I'm asking you this is you're willing to have a discussion with people who insult Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His Messenger. If you have no qualms in discussing religion with them, but then you're coming to me and trying to say to me that there's certain videos targeting someone, no problem.
You're right. We engage with people who have these views.
Have I been insulting to you?
No.
In any time?
No. So let me clarify why I am questioning the notion of engaging with you.
Right.
There are individuals here, we don't engage with them. You know the reasons, right?
Okay.
There are some issues with their characters.
No problem.
The way they talk, the way they behave, and the way they take the videos and manipulate them.
No problem.
We don't engage with them.
That's fine.
Right? Okay. Likewise, I have the same grievance against you. I was engaging with you. I was talking with you. I had long conversations with you in the past. Very friendly conversations.
Sure.
Okay. So now you, when you accuse innocent people of crimes they have not.
We're going around in circles.
No, we're not. Have the patience to listen to me. You don't agree.
You've not even
don't
listened
agree.
to me. You're not giving me a chance. You're having a monologue.
No.
This is not fair.
No, you have to let me finish what I'm saying so that you understand where I'm coming from. The reason why I'm questioning the notion of engaging with you is that you are accusing, let me finish, an innocent person of doing things he hasn't done. Number one. Why do you do that to him? He is an Iranian ex-Shia. And he has put out a lot of content online against the Shia school of thought, debunking it.
Mockery, mentioning people's family members.
I don't agree with that.
Bringing up people.
I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. If that's the case,
I rest my case.
so let me. Okay, you rest your case now. Let me start my case. Okay. So this guy. Any wrong done by anyone, I'm saying this again on camera. Anyone, my own father, if you see him doing anything wrong, God forbid, I don't own his wrong deeds. I don't own his wrong deeds. If you see my son doing something wrong, okay, I don't own his wrong deeds. Anything bad, evil, repulsive, unpleasant, said or done by anyone, whether that's my relative or one of my friends or the people, for example, I agree with on certain points, I don't condone that. I condemn that. At the same time, if someone innocent is being accused because of certain stupid things he might have done, you take the matter forward and you start making insinuations, you start making claims that are absurd, and because you don't like it. So why don't I do one thing? I propose something. Okay. You have all. Wait.
Let me finish. Let me finish now.
Why don't I bring him here?
No.
Why don't I bring him here and let him defend himself?
Okay, no problem.
And you talk to him, and let's see what happens.
Okay,
let's see. I don't want to defend him because I don't know the details.
1 second. Let me finish talking. No.
I have some. I have. Yes, not all of them. I have some. I've seen those.
Okay.
Why are they accusing him of these things?
Okay. Why? Okay, brothers.
Okay. Let's not indulge in that discussion. Let him come. I don't know the details. I don't know the details. So can I call him now? Can I call him now?
Give me 5 minutes to respond.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna.
Give me 5 minutes.
I'm gonna call him now. I'm gonna bring him here.
Yes. Look at this.
Okay.
Give me 5 minutes to respond. So basically, look, I don't have no personal vendetta against anyone. Let me make this clear. I've been brought up with Shias, Sunnis, Salafis, Sufis, you name it. Okay? I have no personal problem with no one. But you asked a question. You said, why are you particularly targeting him? He is somebody who's come from an ex-Shia background, and this is the reason why. This is not true at all. In fact, there's many people, right, who I know personally, who are from ex-Sunni background, ex-Shia all sorts of various backgrounds. I don't make any.
Have you reported him to the government?
Let me finish.
Have you reported him to the government?
Let me finish.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Have you-
so look.
Go to the police.
So look.
Yeah. Simple, isn't it?
So let me finish, yeah.
Go to the police.
No, let him finish.
Bro, I'm gonna walk off.
Go,
because
okay,
You're
okay.
gonna keep interrupting
Okay.
me. So, if you look at the channel that he currently contributes towards, 2 years ago,
Of the imams, the Muslims.
2 years ago, they had a video accusing me and my organization of supporting known extremist groups in Iraq. Now, as far as I'm concerned, that's an outright lie. So if you want to look at where the chain of events started from,
okay.
it started from there.
So they started accusing you.
Yes,
Okay.
so that's the first point.
So you accused them back.
So, no, wait.
okay.
The second point is,
Okay.
all the evidences provided in the video clips, which by the way, it will be put in the video description, right? You may need to watch it using a VPN because they blocked it in the UK, right? You'll see all the video.
What did they block?
All these videos, they blocked them from being.
Which videos?
These videos accusing him of supporting known extremist groups.
Why did they block them?
Because he's filed a copyright infringement case against his videos. So they stopped.
So the authorities blocked.
Yeah. So YouTube blocked.
So
those
you must
videos.
have been doing something wrong, right?
So I'm going to get to the point. Now these videos.
No. So why did they get
You
blocked?
can block it. Anyone can block it. So anyway, listen.
If there's nothing wrong with the video, why was it blocked?
Listen, it's copyright. Anyone can claim a copyright video and block it. But
Okay.
the point is, look, all the content that you find in those videos, they're from his websites. They're from his websites.
Okay.
So that's the point I'm trying to make.
Okay.
So
can we invite him to?
I know. So this goes to the next point. Would I entertain somebody who is a known terrorist sympathizer? I would not, just as you wouldn't engage in the park with certain individuals, I would not even waste my breath on such a person.
Okay. So you would accuse him on
I
your
would-
channel, but not let him let him engage with you.
As I said to you before, I have no issues discussing it with you. Why? Because you're a respectful person. There's that mutual respect, right? I can have a conversation with you. You can have a conversation with me. I've never accused you of terrorism.
Okay.
You've never accused me of terrorism.
Now I want an answer, honest, a very honest,
No problem. I always give honest answers.
hand on heart.
No problem.
What is the cross? What is it? Cross. What do they say? I don't know.
my heart and hope to
Cross
die.
my hope to die. Yeah, something
Right.
like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. You're gonna tell the truth. What
course.
are your views on Abu Israel?
Abu Israel, I don't know much about him.
What are your views on him? What you know?
I don't know much about him. I think
Is this a topic of discussion, by the way?
Yeah, I'm asking you a question. No,
What's your view on Bin Laden?
Okay, you want to come in?
No, what's your view on Bin
Oh,
Laden?
no problem.
You're just-
No problem. No problem. No problem. You want to come in front of the camera, talk to me?
No,
We'll send Sayyid Ali out, you come, because I will only speak to one person. Let's see what my answer is. You want to see my answer?
Why can't he
So
sit down?
have the guts to come and stand here and engage with me.
Stop having arms.
Oh, come on.
Okay, anyway,
Come
so
on.
you-
If you don't have the
so
guts,
my-
if you don't have the guts, if you don't have the guts, come. Okay.
Brother, I don't-
Come.
Brother,
Come.
listen.
No.
Listen.
No, come. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Same way you wanted him to answer. I
Listen,
asked you
brother,
a simple question.
Abu Israel.
Okay, so I don't know much about him, right?
Okay. Do you condemn him?
But I don't know how do you expect me to?
He's a known terrorist.
According to who?
So because he doesn't condemn a terrorist,
doesn't
he's a
know.
terrorist
I don't know who
sympathizer.
he is.
I cannot engage with him.
Listen,
He's a terrorist sympathizer. He's a terrorist sympathizer.
work?
How does that feel?
Adnan, come on, man.
He's a terrorist sympathizer.
Adnan, listen.
Abu Israel is on video. Okay. Wait, I'm going to show him a video of him. I'm going to show him a video. Then at least you will know Abu Israel, who Abu Israel is. I'm going to show you. Have you watched my video against Ammar Nakshwani? You have. You've said previously you have watched my video.
No, I haven't.
You haven't watched
I'll
it?
be honest with you, I haven't.
Okay.
I haven't.
In that video, I
showed
put
footage or something.
a footage of Abu Israel.
What's he doing?
Burning a man alive and cutting him like kebab. Yes? Come here. Now. Well, now we're talking.
No, I
So now,
This is a topic of discussion.
are you the judge here?
Question.
Are you the arbitrator? Why are you engaging?
you're the
Why are
one
you
making the
engaging if you
discussion.
can't?
Don't you have to agree on a topic?
So can you explain to him that you are doing a good job?
listen,
Unless you're not doing a good job, and let him come in.
No, you're doing excellent job.
You said
No,
let's agree
I am-
on a topic.
You're doing an excellent job. Listen,
Before you started, you said let's agree on a topic. Have
So-
you agreed on a topic?
That's why the problem is
Adnan bhai, listen,
I
I'm not
cannot
here-
indulge with most Shia brothers because it gets passionate.
haven't agreed on
People
the topic.
lose their senses and people lose.
Agree on a topic. I don't.
That we're not engaging yet. We are trying to resolve. We're trying to resolve these issues because until these things are clear. Because if you accuse, if you're running a propaganda channel, if you're running Fox News, let's say, I'm saying, if you're running Fox News, an Islamophobic channel, accusing innocent Muslims of crimes they have not committed, do you want me to talk?
Listen, I'm limited with time because I have to go to work as well, right?
Yeah.
So
Abu Israel,
I just told you I don't know much about him. How do you expect?
I'm going to show you a video.
Okay, so
Him cutting a living person,
wait.
burning him alive and cutting him like kebab.
So I don't
I'm going to
know-
show you a
listen,
video.
So I don't know about this video. It could be edited.
I'm going to show you now.
It could be propaganda.
You will see
video,
Abu
it could be all
Israel.
sorts.
You will see Abu Israel.
I cannot comment.
So he is now justifying the crimes of a terrorist. He is justifying the crimes of a terrorist. You see ball. You see, a chain ball swings both ways.
Listen, I'm going to go.
It swings both ways. So why you want to go now?
Because
What are your views on Abu Israel?
I just told you I don't know anything about him.
Abu Israel is an established terrorist, killing innocent people in Iraq, burning people alive and chopping them like kebabs. Here's a video I'm going to show you now, and you're going to tell me what you think of that.
Yeah, but how do I know this video's not been edited?
Let's see.
It could be
Let's see.
fabricated.
Let's see. Let's see.
I have no issue
Let's see.
with the video.
Let's see.
But the point is, what I'm trying to say to you, it could be edited, it could be photoshopped.
So he's making excuses for a terrorist. Now, basically, he's saying, I'm not going to condemn a terrorist. Okay. Yeah, video is here.
He's talking
So
about a guy I didn't
I'm
know.
sure Shimrani feels the same like he's feeling right now. Shimrani feels the same like he's feeling right now. I am accusing him of justifying the crimes of a terrorist by not condemning him. So therefore he is finding it difficult to condemn a known terrorist, Abu Israel.
Okay.
A Shia militia man.
One second. Listen, I have no issues with condemning anyone who supports
You can
any...
you can easily do it. You have
Let me finish.
you have taqiyya.
Let me finish.
You can easily do it.
So do you guys as well.
No, we don't.
So listen,
He doesn't even know what
listen,
you're talking about. That's
listen.
like me asking you who's my neighbor. You know my neighbor. Stop asking stupid questions.
This question is irrelevant. Anyway,
You want to come here? I'll talk to you.
no, but I'm going to go because
The problem is,
listen.
with the Shia friends, I will request you choose one person.
Have a proper conversation.
Wait.
I'm going to go.
Wait.
Adnan's
I request from all of you, my brothers. My brothers.
Guy that works in McDonald's.
Adnan, bhai, that's what you're asking me. It's like Adnan, you're asking about someone I
Wait.
didn't even know about.
I will request from all of you. Go on the side, have a conversation, and choose one person and say, this is the person who will represent us. Him, you all okay? So you all need to be silent. All of you need to be silent because you're disrespecting your speaker. If you think he's doing a bad job,
Guys, listen.
Yeah.
Please, listen. I'm going to conclude this, right? I condemn any form of terrorism, right?
Good.
Irrespective.
Good.
If it's somebody from the Shias or Sunnis. It doesn't
Abu
matter.
Israel.
If
He doesn't know who he is.
Again, you guys don't think he's doing a good job.
brother,
Why do you need to feed him?
please.
Let him speak.
Please.
Is he intelligent? Is he learned enough? Is he learned enough?
Please.
Is he learned enough? Okay, he is. Good. Is he intelligent enough? Does he need your support? Does he need you to feed him?
Why are you
Guys,
asking a question
please.
that he doesn't even
Guys,
know?
please.
So, do you have their trust?
You know my neighbor, bro.
Because they don't seem to trust you.
Please, let me finish.
They don't seem to trust you. They don't believe in your ability.
That's fine, no problem. Whatever the case.
But at least ask them to not humiliate you like this.
My case is with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He's the best of judges, irrespective of what these.
They are humiliating you like,
So let
you
them
know.
humiliate people. Humiliate the Holy Prophet is not really a major issue.
Imagine the truth. Yeah.
Look,
I'm still waiting, Abu Israel.
I condemn all forms of extremism, irrespective, whoever it is, be it Shia, be it Sunni, whoever. That's it. End of argument. I don't know why you keep getting me to.
I'm gonna show you a video.
Okay.
He just said you can let it.
Wasting time.
I'll check the video at my own time because I'm a bit short on time. I've actually got to go to work. So
And he's already confirmed that.
Yeah, video. Abu Israel burning a man alive. alive and then cutting him like kebab. And you know that's Abu Zirail.
Okay, so who's the person he's burning and cutting alive?
Does that matter?
Yeah, it does.
Who's that? No. Wait. Did you all hear that clearly? Did you all? Okay, I'm talking to the camera. People watching. Did you all hear that clearly? I asked him that I'll show you a video of a man being burnt alive and being cut like a kebab. He asked me, who is he burning? As if it's okay to burn certain people and cut them like a kebab.
Listen,
You see,
asking
when the ball swings your way.
Okay, no, but listen. It's a valid question. I'm asking, who is he burning and cutting?
Why is that important?
Why?
Let's say he's burning. Wait. Let's say he's burning and cutting the worst human to walk the planet. Let's say that. One second. Is that okay? Islamically and ethically, is that okay?
Okay, so
Wait, let him answer.
wait.
You have 50 supporters.
Wait.
They all want to speak. They all have an opinion.
Wait. So
First, wait, before you answer, can you ask them to be?
No. You're gonna keep
They are the ones.
because you're gonna keep interrupting me. You're not even giving me a chance to respond.
I'm asking you a question, Sayyid Ali. Can you request from the brothers not to
Bro, I'm gonna go.
indulge?
You keep interrupting me. I'm sorry.
It's up to you.
I cannot
It's up to
continue
you. I can greet you. If you want to go, no problem.
The reason why
But
is because Adnan is being a spokesman and he's not allowing me the opportunity to respond back, right?
I'm
I made
responding
it-
to your
listen,
statements.
I made it clear at the beginning I condemn all form of extremism, irrespective, be it from the Shias or Sunnis. Now I asked a simple question. I said, who is the person? Is he burning or cutting? What's he doing? Both.
Both.
Okay. So now,
So why does that matter? I want to know. Why does that
Okay.
matter? Why is it important to know who?
okay, wait.
Because the crime. It's like someone got raped. Who was he raping? If someone came to me and told some woman was raped, who was he raping?
Brother, let me finish.
That question itself is disturbing.
Because you need witnesses
Who was
for
he?
rape.
Who was he
You
raping?
need witnesses for rape to accuse someone
okay,
of rape.
fine.
There's a
But
whole-
why are you interested in the identity of the person he's burning?
Because look, I'm trying to explain to you within
Let's say he's burning a combatant.
bro, I'm gonna go.
Okay, sorry.
No, I'm gonna go.
Okay,
Sorry.
stay.
Bro, I'm
Okay,
gonna go.
continue. No problem. So no. Okay, if you want him to stay, then all of you have to be
We'll
patient.
be quiet, but can you be fair?
Yeah,
Can you give him
no
time to speak?
problem. Okay, can you leave it to him to converse with me?
Bro, this guy.
Yeah, wait.
So basically, look, Adnan Brother's objection is that irrespective, whoever this person is, be it a terrorist, wherever he is, the punishment of basically the act he carried out, what he did here, is something which is totally inhumane. Now, there's two things about this. Number one, for all I care, this video, it could be doctored. Let's say it's not doctored, and he did do this. There's two issues here. Number one, why are you trying to impose your theology on this guy, whoever he is? I'm assuming that you're saying that he's a Shia, right? He's a Shia terrorist. According to Shias, is such a punishment forbidden for them to carry out? Okay.
Making
Watch
a
this video.
conversation and a point. Come on. Be fair or be a hypocrite. You said let him speak.
I want him to watch so they can respond to it. I want him to watch so they can respond to it.
Wait. So, guys, listen.
Don't engage.
So, guys, listen.
It's already a disaster for them.
Okay, no problem. A disaster, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the best of judges. He decides what's a disaster, what's not a disaster. My point is, number one, this video could be doctored. Point number two, Adnan's point is, irrespective of whoever it is, what he done here is something inhumane. right? And it's not acceptable. Of course, in the eyes of Brother Adnan, he considers this to be something which is totally unlawful, right?
In your eyes?
So I'm going to get to this now.
Yeah.
Now, just because something is forbidden in your theology doesn't necessarily mean that he considers this particular act to be forbidden.
So you're justifying?
Now, I'm not justifying. What I'm trying to explain
You're
to you,
justifying a burning.
if he carried this punishment out, right, you need to say to me, okay, Sayyid Ali, what he did here is totally wrong, even according to Shia standards. You must give me evidence to show from Shia standards that what he's done is something which is totally forbidden.
Okay.
And in its
Can I respond to that?
Wait, 1 second.
Yeah.
So there's last point here as well. What is the Shari ruling according to Sunni ulama for the one who commits apostasy? What does Ibn Taymiyyah say about one who becomes a murtad? Is it
Okay.
permitted to burn such a person?
Okay. Now, first Sayyid Ali is justifying burning in not so many words. Okay, I like to clarify things. He is justifying burning, which is abhorrent. In Sunni Islam, it is absolutely haram. Listen to me carefully again. It is absolutely haram to commit any act of terrorism against innocent or non-innocent. Certain things cannot be done even to criminals. Certain ways of punishment can't be applied even against criminals. What moral superiority do we claim over other civilizations if we end up committing the same atrocities and same acts of...
irony of it
Okay,
is
okay, okay, okay,
Abu
okay,
Bakr
okay,
was
okay,
burnt
okay,
somebody.
okay, 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 okay. So our civilization and our claim, our moral claim of superiority is based upon our moral superiority. We as Muslims cannot do certain things, even in war. Okay, that's why Daesh, ISIS are terrorists. That's why any extremist who believes in blanket killing of innocent people, such people are extremists and terrorists. Whether they're Shia or whether they're Sunni, I'm consistent. I condemn Abu Israel for being a terrorist, a murderer, an extremist, funded by the mullahs of Iran and Iraq collectively. Okay, and sending
Saudi,
okay, wait, okay,
fund,
fine.
support.
Okay, to hell with if anyone funding terrorism and committing terrorism, to hell with them. Whether it's my uncle, my chacha, my mamu, my khala, whoever it is. Okay, no, he's not saying that. He is justifying burning. He is justifying burning. Wait. Okay, ISIS for burning the Jordanian pilot. They are a bunch of barbarians and they are extremists and terrorists. Okay, he's not saying the same thing about Abu Israel. What he's doing is he's giving theology now. Wait, he's giving theology to provide basis for the actions, alleged action. Let's say albeit alleged. Wait, alleged actions of Abu Israel, a known terrorist in Iraq. Okay, he finds it very difficult to condemn him because he knows he's gonna go home and he's gonna find people. Shias will be messaging him all day. What the hell did you do? Why did you condemn a mujahid of Allah? Why did you condemn a mujahid of the Ahlul Bayt, a defender of the Ahlul Bayt, a lover of the Ahlul Bayt, who is killing all these extremists and terrorists in Iraq and burning them? Why did you condemn? This is the problem. This is the problem. Okay.
Okay, Ibn Taymiyyah.
So no, I'm not finished. I'm coming to Ibn Taymiyyah. Okay. So now, in our hadith, we have reports in Sahih al-Bukhari that Ali bin Abi Talib burnt someone as a punishment. Forget about Abu Bakr. Ali is more as beloved to us as Abu Bakr.
Right.
So to us, Ali and Abu Bakr. Why do you need to bring Abu Bakr? We will take Ali. Ali in Bukhari, we have a report. Same report can be found in your Rijal
It's
al-Kashi.
narrated by Ikramah, and he's a known Nasbi.
Okay,
He was
wait.
a Kharji.
Wait.
No problem.
So who narrated the same report in Rijal al-Kashi? There's no Ikramah there.
No, wait.
There is no Ikramah in your books.
No.
What do you mean? No.
Wait, let me
The
respond.
same report.
No, it's not.
I am not finished.
It's not the same response.
I'm not-
That's outright.
I am
lie.
not finished.
Brothers and sisters, what
I am not
Brother
finished.
Adnan said here is a lie. It's not the same report from Bukhari in the Shia.
I am not saying it's the same report. Same action. Same action. Same action. Same action is reported
Yeah, for Ali.
from Ali.
Right.
Okay, from different sources in Shia books.
Okay, so
in
let's-
Shia books.
let's compare-
There's no. The
so
point I'm
let's-
making is there's no ikra. There is no
wait,
ikrama.
wait.
There is no ikrama there.
So
So your game is not working.
No. Wait.
So can I finish my point?
1 second.
Is it fair to finish my point?
1 second.
Can I finish my point?
1 second.
No. They don't want me to finish my point.
No. You are
Can I finish my point?
confusing- You are confusing.
You can
issues.
respond.
Ibn
You can
Abbas-
respond.
Ibn Abbas's narration.
You can respond.
The narration from.
Let me finish my
Let me
point.
finish my point. Look, Ikramah's.
I haven't made my point and he wants to make a point.
Listen, Ikramah's report, right? If you read the hadith from Bukhari, there's a discussion there with Ibn Abbas and Ali as to why did he burn a certain group of people. So according to the Sunni report, Ibn Abbas essentially reprimands Ali for committing this act.
No, it doesn't reprimand him.
He reprimands
You're
him,
lying.
and he says that this punishment
You're lying.
is something only that can be carried out by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's a reserved punishment. Now, as for the Shia hadith, it's entirely different. There's nothing off there to suggest that practice in itself was a forbidden act, because Ali, according to the report in Kashi, was burning somebody who claimed divinity for Imam Ali. So I just want to end on a quick point. So we have a report here from Musannaf of Ibn Abi Shayba.
So you're making a
hadith-
point on top of a point now. You didn't let me finish,
Wait,
and then you started.
wait,
Let me finish. You can make your Mustandaf point.
Wait.
Okay, I was finished. So Ali, he confirmed in our reports that are authentic to us. Sahih al-Bukhari. Can you take the discussion further down? Go further down, please. Go further down, brother. Go further down. Okay. So I request that you let me finish my point.
Right.
Okay, so that you can come in as well and say what you want to say. I'm not stopping you.
Right.
Okay. So now, Rijal al-Kashi has a report you've confirmed that Ali burning people.
Yes.
So before you accuse us of believing in burning,
Right.
let's hear what we believe in first.
Right.
Ali did that, and you confirm that Ali did burn people. You confirm from your own reports.
From Sunni hadith, yes. And
From Shia hadith.
And he was
And from Shia hadith.
Totally different narration.
Okay, but burn someone else.
Totally
Burn
different
someone else.
narrations, and you're trying to apply.
Did Ali, according to your sources, did Ali burn someone?
You are trying to apply Sunni theology on Shias.
No, I'm not.
You are.
I'm confirming the action of
show
burning.
Show me from Shia hadith. This is something forbidden.
Okay. No,
You
I'm not.
can't.
I'm not saying
You
that.
cannot.
I'm saying, did Ali burn according to Shia report? Did he burn someone?
So did Abu Bakr. So did Umar as well.
I'm asking a question. Did Ali burn someone according
Yes,
to Shia?
they did.
Okay,
They did.
good. So
According
that's
to-
the point.
yes.
So why is it so painful to him? A simple point. Why is it so painful? Right? So my simple point is, according to you, Ali burnt, and according to our reports, he burnt. In our reports, we have something extra. Abdullah bin Abbas, a cousin of Ali, radiallahu anh, he came to him and he said to him, what you did was incorrect, because the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in a categorical report, he stated,
said
do not
exactly the
not
same thing.
punish,
And
do
he
not.
said,
Let me
I'm
finish,
lying.
Sayyid Ali. It's gonna
He said,
get
I'm
more.
lying. I
It's
said
gonna
the
get
same
more
thing.
complicated
Okay, go on.
than it needs to be. Okay, so Abdullah bin Abbas corrected Ali bin Abi Talib, and never again in the entire history of Islam did anyone burn anyone as a punishment in Sharia. It is haram in Islam.
Right. But
In
Abu
the
Bakr
Sunni,
and Umar
wait,
did.
wait. Wait.
Come out, pledge allegiance.
Okay.
Or I will set the house on fire.
Why are you continuing? Let me finish and
You've
then
got a report from Musannaf
show
of Ibn
me.
Abi Shayba, in which Umar is saying, was informed that one of his sons had covered the walls of his house with a cloth. So he said, by Allah, if it's true, I will burn his house.
Okay. But okay, let's say the report is authentic.
Narration is Sahih,
Okay.
Musannaf ibn Abi Shayba. I know you like showing the screen, so I show you there. It's here, and if you look at the bottom, it actually says Isnad is Sahih.
Well done.
There's a scan.
Well done.
So
Well done.
we
Now
find-
let me respond to it.
We find
Let me respond to it.
reports
Okay,
in
let me
which
respond to it.
Sahaba carried out the punishment of burning, especially in particular for apostasy. And it's well known that Ibn Taymiyyah himself issued a fatwa that till today, ISIS are actually imitating that fatwa.
To
by
hell with
burning
them.
Right?
To hell with them for doing this. and to hell with anyone who's burning people,
Ibn Taymiyyah
dead or
out to
alive.
them.
To hell with all these terrorists, Shia or Sunni or whatever they are, or,
agree with
or
you.
Sushi.
I agree with you.
Shia, Sunni or Sushi,
I agree with
whatever
you.
they
I
are.
agree with
Okay, so now,
let's- okay,
wait.
let's-
I'm not finished. I'm not finished. You didn't. So he likes to interrupt. Let me finish my point. So that Musannaf report, if it's authentic, let's say if it's
I just-
authentic,
no problem.
okay, I will. So look, let me help you, man. Let me give you something better, so that you can attack me. The Prophet made a statement like that. That those people who do not come to the masjid to pray, I would, not that I will, and those who are listening must. No, I would rather burn their houses than them, not coming to the masjid. Wait, let me
now prove
look. Okay,
this
Assalamu
was
alaikum.
said-
Assalamu alaikum.
this
It's not
was proved.
this
Now
conversation.
prove this
No.
was after
You're not letting me
prohibition.
finish.
Give him to us.
Okay.
You said the Prophet said there's
So
no problem.
the conclusion is, I'm going to end now.
Where the Prophet
The conclusion
said-
is,
At what point?
Abu Israel is a good man for burning people. He's not a terrorist. He's not condemning a known terrorist, a declared terrorist. And this is the reality of these people. This is the reality of these people. This is the reality. He is condoning a terrorist. He is defending a terrorist. He is defending his actions.
Say wallah, say that.
Wallahi, he is Wallahi, he is justifying the actions of Abu Israel. Wallahi, he is justifying his actions. I said, Wallahi, let people decide. Let people decide. They're watching. Okay, so this is why I cannot engage with terrorist sympathizers. I cannot. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Where are the cameras?